Welcome to the Ultimate Woodworking Toolkit Guide. Today, we're revealing 30 genius woodworking tools you probably didn't know existed. These tools are designed to make your projects faster, cleaner, and more precise. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro, these innovations will elevate your workshop game. The Bosch 12V Max Palm Edge Router brings precision and portability to your fingertips. This compact router is perfect for trimming edges, routing grooves, and detailing small woodworking projects. Its lightweight design reduces fatigue, while the variable speed control ensures smooth cuts on any material. Battery-powered for cordless freedom, it's a versatile tool for hobbyists and professionals alike. From creating decorative edges to accurate joinery, this palm router delivers clean results every time. Durable, ergonomic, and easy to control, it's a game changer for your woodworking toolkit. The Kreg Pocket-Hole Jig 720 is a must-have for creating strong, hidden joints in your woodworking projects. Its adjustable design allows you to drill precise pocket holes quickly, saving time and reducing errors. Perfect for cabinets, furniture, and shelves, this jig ensures professional results every time. Compact and portable, it's ideal for home workshops and on-site jobs. With Kreg's reliable build quality, your joints will be strong, accurate, and flawless, making assembly effortless and boosting your woodworking efficiency. The Festool Quick Clamp Set simplifies clamping tasks with speed and precision. These high-quality clamps hold your workpieces securely while you cut, drill, or glue. With quick release functionality and adjustable pressure, you can work efficiently without compromising accuracy. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture, or general woodworking, these clamps save time while providing reliable support. Compact yet strong, they're easy to carry around and store. Festool's precision engineering ensures even pressure distribution and durability, making these clamps an essential addition to any workshop. The OLFA Precision Craft Knife is perfect for intricate cuts and detailed woodworking projects. Its sharp, replaceable blade allows clean cuts on wood, veneer, and laminates. Ergonomic design ensures control and comfort during extended use. From carving patterns to trimming edges, this knife offers precision unmatched by ordinary tools. Lightweight and balanced, it fits comfortably in hand for delicate operations. Perfect for hobbyists, model makers, or professional craftsmen, it enhances accuracy, reduces mistakes, and speeds up workflow. This small but powerful tool is essential for detailed woodworking tasks. The Jorgensen Mini Wood Planer is a versatile tool for smoothing edges and leveling small boards. Its compact design allows easy handling, making it ideal for detailed projects. Durable construction ensures stability, while the sharp blades deliver consistent results. Whether shaping trim, molding, or furniture pieces, this mini planer provides precision and efficiency. Lightweight and portable, it's a practical addition to any woodworking toolkit. Achieve smooth, professional finishes quickly and reduce sanding time. Perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike, this tool makes detailed woodworking simpler and more accurate.
The Seesii Mini Circular Saw is a compact yet powerful tool for cutting wood and other materials with precision. Lightweight and portable, it allows you to make straight or angled cuts effortlessly. Its safety features and ergonomic design reduce fatigue and improve control. Ideal for DIY projects, cabinetry, and small furniture work, this mini saw provides versatility without compromising performance. Quick blade changes and consistent power make every cut smooth and accurate. Perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike, this saw brings precision, speed, and convenience to your workshop. The WETOLS Woodworking Corner Clamp ensures perfect 90-degree corners for frames, cabinets, and boxes. Its adjustable jaws hold pieces firmly while gluing or screwing, reducing mistakes and increasing precision. Lightweight yet durable, it's easy to use and store. Ideal for woodworking beginners and professionals, it saves time and guarantees accurate joints. The non-slip pads protect your workpieces from scratches. Compact design makes it easy to carry, and its sturdy construction ensures long-term reliability. This clamp is a must-have for anyone wanting precise, professional-looking corners.
The Milescraft Sand-It multi-surface sanding block makes sanding faster and more precise. Its ergonomic design provides comfort during extended use, while the flexible surface conforms to curves and corners. Perfect for wood, metal, or plastic, it delivers smooth finishes without effort. Ideal for furniture, cabinetry, or DIY projects, this sanding block reduces hand fatigue and increases efficiency. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Lightweight, versatile, and easy to clean, it's an essential tool for achieving professional quality sanding results on every project. The DEWALT 10-inch table saw is a powerhouse for precision cutting. With a stable table, adjustable fence, and powerful motor, it makes ripping, cross-cutting, and bevel cuts effortless. Its safety features protect against accidents while providing accuracy and control. Ideal for professional woodworkers and serious DIYers, this saw handles large and small projects with ease. Durable and reliable, it maintains consistent performance even under heavy use. With precise adjustments and smooth operation, the DEWALT table saw is a must-have for achieving flawless cuts every time.
Titebond 3 Ultimate Wood Glue is a professional-grade adhesive for woodworking. It offers superior strength, water resistance, and long open time, making it ideal for indoor and outdoor projects. Perfect for furniture, cabinets, or trim work, it ensures lasting, durable bonds. Its smooth consistency allows easy application, while cleanup is simple with water. Non-toxic and FDA approved for indirect food contact, this glue is safe and reliable. Titebond 3 delivers professional quality results for both hobbyists and pros. HORUSDY 8-pack bar clamps. The HORUSDY 8-pack bar clamps are versatile and essential for woodworking. They hold boards firmly during gluing, cutting, or assembly, ensuring precise and secure work. Adjustable and easy to operate, these clamps save time and reduce mistakes. Durable construction provides long-lasting performance, while the wide jaws protect your workpiece. Perfect for furniture, cabinetry, or DIY projects, these clamps enhance efficiency and accuracy. Compact and lightweight, they're easy to store and carry. BORA Workhorse Sawhorses. BORA Workhorse Sawhorses are heavy-duty and reliable for any woodworking or construction project. They provide a stable, sturdy surface for cutting, sanding, or assembling materials. Foldable and portable, they're easy to transport and store. Adjustable height and robust construction make them versatile for various tasks. Designed to handle heavy loads, these sawhorses ensure safety and precision. Ideal for workshops or job sites, they increase efficiency, protect materials, and make working with large pieces far easier. RUITOOL Japanese hand saw is perfect for precise, clean cuts in woodworking. Its sharp, thin blade allows smooth rip and cross cuts without splintering. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces fatigue during extended use. Ideal for furniture, trim, and fine woodworking, it delivers accurate results every time. The pole cut design provides better control and efficiency. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a must-have for hobbyists and professionals looking for precise, effortless cutting. The MAXMAN sandpaper sanding block makes smoothing wood effortless. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in hand, reducing fatigue while sanding. Flexible surfaces conform to curves and edges, ensuring even sanding across all surfaces. Durable construction guarantees long-term use, while the block keeps sandpaper secure for efficient results. Ideal for furniture, cabinetry, and DIY projects, it speeds up sanding and improves finish quality. Lightweight, versatile, and easy to clean, this sanding block is an essential addition to any woodworking toolkit.
The Necamocu edge banding trimmer is designed to give clean, precise edges on laminated boards. Its sharp blades cut excess material effortlessly, providing a professional finish. Compact and ergonomic, it's easy to handle. ensuring smooth operation without damaging your workpiece. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture, and DIY projects, it reduces manual sanding and improves accuracy. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a must-have tool for anyone working with edge-banded materials. The Dongcheng 20-volt brushless hammer drill delivers power and precision for all drilling tasks. Brushless technology provides longer battery life, higher efficiency, and less maintenance. Perfect for wood, metal, or masonry, it handles heavy-duty tasks with ease. Adjustable speed and torque settings ensure accurate drilling. Lightweight and ergonomic, it reduces fatigue during long projects. Ideal for DIYers and professionals, this hammer drill combines power, versatility, and reliability for all your woodworking and construction needs. The Terwex Custom Electric Branding Iron lets you personalize woodworking projects with your unique logo or design. Easy to heat and use, it delivers clean, professional burns on wood surfaces. Durable construction ensures long-term performance, while ergonomic handles provide comfort and control. Perfect for furniture, gifts, or DIY crafts, it adds a professional, custom touch. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to store. This branding iron is an essential tool for woodworkers wanting to leave a lasting impression. The AUXTUR Cabinet Hardware Jig simplifies cabinet and drawer installation. It ensures precise and consistent placement of handles, knobs, and pulls, saving time and reducing errors. Durable and lightweight, it's easy to handle and store. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers, it guarantees professional-looking results every time. Adjustable settings make it compatible with different hardware sizes and styles. Compact design makes it easy to transport, while sturdy construction ensures long-lasting reliability. The Jorgensen 14-piece Spade drill bit set is perfect for fast, efficient drilling in wood. Each bit delivers smooth, clean holes with minimal splintering. Compatible with standard drill chucks, this set covers a wide range of hole sizes. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while sharp edges make cutting effortless. Ideal for woodworking, cabinetry, and furniture projects, it saves time and improves precision. A must-have for beginners and pros, this set provides versatility and reliability for all your drilling needs.
The LIBRATON wood chisel set includes multiple sizes for precise carving, trimming, and shaping of wood. Made from durable steel with sharp edges, these chisels deliver clean, professional cuts every time. Ergonomic handles provide comfort and control during extended use. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and detailed woodworking projects, this set is perfect for both beginners and pros. With long-lasting performance and versatile applications, these chisels make cutting, paring, and carving smooth, accurate, and effortless. The Sacred Carpenter Square tool ensures accurate measurements and perfect right angles in woodworking projects. Its durable construction and precise markings help maintain consistency and efficiency. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to use on various materials including wood and metal. Perfect for furniture making, cabinetry, and DIY projects, this tool improves precision while reducing mistakes. Compact yet robust, it fits comfortably in any workshop toolbox. A must-have for both hobbyists and professional carpenters looking for flawless professional results. The Kakuri wood marking gauge allows precise, repeatable lines for cutting, drilling, and chiseling. Its durable wooden body and adjustable marking pin make layout tasks accurate and efficient. Ideal for joinery, furniture, and cabinetry, it reduces errors and improves project quality. Compact and easy to handle, it's perfect for workshop or on-site use. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned woodworker, this gauge ensures clean, precise lines, helping your cuts and joints come out perfectly aligned. The AVID Power Compact Router tool is ideal for trimming, edging, and detailing wood with precision. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, it reduces user fatigue while maintaining control. Variable speed settings allow smooth operation on different materials. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers, this router ensures clean cuts, accurate grooves, and polished edges.
Durable construction guarantees long-lasting use. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, making detailed woodworking tasks faster, easier, and more precise. The YURINWOO wood carving tools set includes multiple chisels and gouges for detailed carving and shaping. Crafted from durable steel, these tools provide precise, smooth cuts for furniture, decor, and artistic projects. Ergonomic handles ensure comfort and control during extended work sessions. Ideal for beginners and professionals, the set allows intricate detailing, lettering, and shaping with ease. Lightweight, versatile, and reliable, this carving set enhances craftsmanship, improving accuracy, efficiency, and overall woodworking results. The Jellas belt sander delivers fast, smooth sanding for large and small wood surfaces. Powerful and easy to control, it removes material quickly while leaving a clean finish. Adjustable speed and ergonomic design reduce user fatigue. Ideal for furniture, cabinetry, and workshop projects, it ensures even sanding across flat and curved surfaces. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable tool for professionals and DIYers alike. Compact and efficient, this sander simplifies preparation and finishing tasks, saving time and effort. The Saker Woodworking Scriber T-square ruler ensures accurate straight lines and precise measurements. Its sturdy construction, clear markings, and adjustable features make layout tasks easy and consistent. Perfect for cabinetry, furniture, and DIY projects, it improves accuracy and reduces mistakes. Lightweight and durable, it's ideal for both workshop and on-site use. This versatile tool is essential for woodworkers aiming for professional-level precision in marking, cutting, and assembly, enhancing the overall quality and finish of every project. The AUXTUR sharpening stone keeps chisels, knives, and other blades razor sharp. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting use, while coarse and fine surfaces provide precise sharpening. Ideal for woodworking tools, this stone restores cutting edges quickly and efficiently. Compact and easy to use, it fits perfectly in any workshop setup. Maintaining sharp tools enhances accuracy, safety, and project quality. Perfect for hobbyists and professionals, this sharpening stone is a must-have accessory to prolong tool life and ensure clean, precise cuts every time. The Kakuri handheld router plane is ideal for leveling, trimming, and shaping wooden surfaces. Lightweight and ergonomic, it offers excellent control and precision. Its sharp blade cuts smoothly and efficiently, allowing accurate joinery and detailed work. Perfect for furniture, cabinetry, and DIY projects, this router plane simplifies fine adjustments. Durable construction ensures long-term reliability. This versatile tool is essential for any woodworking workshop, making detailed shaping and trimming tasks faster, easier, and more precise. The Saker multifunction scribing tool combines marking, measuring, and layout capabilities in one compact design. Perfect for woodworking, it ensures precise lines, angles, and measurements. Durable and lightweight, it's easy to handle and store. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture, and DIY projects, this tool improves accuracy while reducing mistakes. Its versatile design makes it a valuable addition to any workshop. Professionals and hobbyists alike will appreciate the convenience and efficiency it brings to everyday woodworking tasks. These 30 genius woodworking tools can completely transform your workshop, making your projects faster, easier, and more precise. From beginner-friendly gadgets to professional-grade tools, each item is designed to boost efficiency and creativity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore these must-have tools today.